About this item: cord organizer ties. Perfect for cord organization. Keep your desk, office, classroom, or workspace tidy with these reusable cable ties. Reusable ZIE ties alternative. Eliminate the waste of traditional zip ties. VELCRO brand reusable cable ties can be used and reused multiple times. Access and remove wires using same ties. Appliance cord organizer. Save yourself the worry about messy cords from your thickened appliances and keep your kitchen clean and organized. Low slotted head. Ensures strap stays with cord and doesn't get lost. The perfect appliance cord wrap. VELCRO brand thin ties. Pre-cut ties stay firmly in place. Multi-use options for the home office or school applications. Also used to bundle pens, pencils and office supplies neatly in desk drawers. Cable organizer. VELCRO brand cable organizer ties are trusted by network and data centers around the world. Also the perfect cord organizer for appliances to keep coffee maker and blender cords neatly wrapped out of. Side reusable cable ties. Simple to reposition, add, or remove cables and wires from the bundle without using a new tie. Less waste for the environment. Use as reusable zip ties. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: